Indian External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar has warned Canada against giving space to Khalistani elements. His statement came after it came to light that Khalistani threat posters in Canada were featuring names of Indian diplomats. Jaishankar said that the Indian government had reached out to partner countries like the United Kingdom and Canada and requested them to not give space to Khalistani groups. He warned that this incident would affect relations between Canada and India. The External Affairs Minister further said that India would raise the issue with partner nations like the US, the UK, Canada and Australia. This comes days after S. Jaishankar said that Canada's response to the Khalistani issue appeared to be constrained by its vote bank compulsions. He had warned that India would have to respond if the activities impinge on its national security and integrity.
इस पे मैं इतना ही कहूँगा और मैं पहले भी कह चुका हूँ कि हम हमारे जो पार्टनर देश जो हैं जैसे कनाडा है, अमेरिका है, यूके है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया है, जहाँ कभी कभी खालिस्तानी एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं, हमने उनको रिक्वेस्ट की है कि वो उनको खालिस्तानियों को स्पेस न दें, क्योंकि उनकी सोच जो है ये रेडिकल एक्सट्रीमिस्ट विचारधारा जो है वो ना हमारे लिए अच्छा है, ना उनके लिए है, ना हमारे रिश्तों के लिए है। तो ये जो पोस्टर का विषय ये हम जरूर उन सरकारों से उठाएंगे। हो सकता है कि हम अभी तक, क्योंकि ये कल परसों ही निकला था, हो सकता है कि अभी तक हो भी। थैंक यू।
Recently, an author-cum-journalist named Terry Milewski tweeted that a Khalistani threat poster branded the Indian High Commissioner in Ottawa and Consulate General in Toronto as killers. Milewski called the act extremely dangerous. The poster said the words, "Kill India." Earlier in June, Khalistani terrorist Hardeep Singh Nijjar was killed in a targeted shooting in Canada's Surrey. He was wanted by the Indian government. He was the chief of the Khalistan Tiger Force. Last year, the National Investigation Agency or NIA declared a 10 lakh rupees reward on Nijjar after he was accused of conspiring to kill a priest in Jalandhar.